going to do the breakdown from the music part all the way, that pulling the chain, that part, music piece, going to next part, which is that the snake one. You remember we did it? That's the part, the second one, okay, the second half. So the whole second half from the music piece we will do it, and then at the end, from the beginning to all the way end, we will do the whole song, so you can practice at home the full song and the music in one stretch. Okay, make sure full power, full energy all the time, not just jumping. The moves, everything has to be very clear, and the bending down. Okay, so we begin the music part. We start the chain, pulling the chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You remember? And we bounce on both the legs. You ready? Let's do it together. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Once you do this, then you're gonna start going into a plie jump. Both the blade hands out. Jump, clap up. Jump, clap up. Jump, clap up. Jump, clap up. Did you do that? Then after that, again you're gonna repeat the whole thing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Once you do this, boom, and here you take a nice pause, and then you begin with the next part, which I taught you, the way snake moves. Okay, so let's do this. Now both of it together. Your arms, I'm gonna have a blade hand, nice path, and you are gonna just pretend like going like a snake. So you go 1 2 3 and 4. Make sure your hand should not go fly away here or going here. You have to be here only. You're just gonna go 1 2 3 4, and your footwork, your both the feet just gonna go taka 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 like that. You're not gonna move sideways. No, nobody gonna do that. So it looks like that. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. Once you finish this one, you're gonna say you all the way straight up. Second position, stronger. You make a thumbs up and say me all the way towards it. Me. Then you're gonna say my heart. Heart. This side is your heart. So you're gonna go in your heart. You get it? And from here you're gonna come together. You get it? So let's see. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4. You, me, in my heart. Both the elbows out. Jazz hand. In my heart. Together. You get it? Then you're gonna jump into your second position for the next step. Hands together like a together one. Got it? You're gonna go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All the way with the bounce. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So from here, after this, you're gonna go all the way. You're gonna go down on your left knee, and you're gonna push the ground. Boom. You're gonna go down all the way, jazz hand, push the ground. Boom. You're gonna keep hands on your waist like that, and after that, you have to take your right hand up like that, like a blade hand, and you're just gonna hit it on your forehead, not so harsh. You have not so harsh. You have to make sure you're just pretending how you say, oh my God, what did you do? That kind of interaction we have to give. So how are you gonna do it? One hand on your waist, one hand straight, and like that you're gonna go 1 2 3 4 with this reaction. Oh my God, what did you do? Okay, so you punch the ground, you come up, hands on your waist, and with your right hand you're gonna go 1 2 3 4. You get it? And after that, you're gonna keep this hand back again, and then you are with your left hand, with the index finger, you're gonna say you, nodding. Okay, 5 6 7 go. You. Then again, you're gonna get this hand back with the same blade hand, but here you're not gonna do this. You're gonna keep it sideways, and you have your other hand. Your palm should be looking at you, and you're gonna say 1 2 3 4 with the nodding. You get it? After this, once you do this one, 1 2 3 4, and after that, you're gonna get your both the feet together, got it? And on your waist. So you come into second position, and from here, you're gonna have your right arm with the index finger bend down into a plie and say everybody kind of a start. How are you showing everyone like that? Just for the subject I'm saying, okay? So let's start from here. So you just did 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Now from here, you're gonna go drop on your waist. No, my God, oh my God, oh my God, 4 times. Did you get it? Point, 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 point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure this cannot go like that, like that. One is straight like that. One is here. Nodding 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna go together on your waist and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? Understood this one? Now from here, he says, "Nakar aisi fight." That means he says, don't fight. Okay? Tera mood karu mein bright. That means I will make your mood brighter. So how are we going to show it? We just finished here. You're going to say nakar. You're going to say no, don't do it. 6, 7, go. With the jazz hand, going to play it. Nakar aisi. You're going to say fight, fight. Like you're saying, just give an action of how do you fight. Don't fight with me. 5, 6, 7, go. Nakar aisi fight. After that, you're going to say tera mood. Your mood, I will make it brighten. So how it? Your mood, I will make it brighten. Jazz hand, make your face like a big expression with a smiley, like a brighten one. Your mood, I will make it bright. You got it? Then he's gonna say, I'm gonna take you for a nice movie, like a big Disney movie. Make sure to see the movie, you have to show like that. One index finger, one thumbs looking at each other, and keep your face here. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, you're gonna do the same thing the way we did it in the beginning. 1, pointed, shimmy, together. You get it? From here onward till the end, you do the same thing the way we did it in the beginning, because he's singing the same thing. You get it? Let's do this again from the neck and pulling the chain part till here, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and clap, jump, 1 and clap, 1 and clap. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and clap, 1 and clap, 1 and clap, 1 and clap. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. You, me, in my heart, together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ground, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point, 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 point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together and hop. Did you get it? Then the moment you come up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nakar aisi fight. Tera mood karu mein bright. Then what you gonna do? Going for the picture. All the way here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point, point, shimmy together. Wow, look at it. Then you're gonna go for the next thing, same the way it is, okay? Now, from the beginning till here, we'll do the whole song with full energy, full power, so that way you can practice at home. You got it? Let's rock it, kids. Let's do it on the music. 1, 5, 6, 7.